Most Nissan owners use only a fraction of what their vehicle can actually do. From intelligent safety technology to remote functions and clever everyday conveniences, these 15 features could change the way you use your Nissan. Like and subscribe, and let's count them down. 15. Connected garage door opener. Let's start with a feature that sounds like it belongs in a smart home, not inside your Nissan. On select Nissan models with Nissan Connect services and MyQ Connected Garage, you can control a compatible garage door through the vehicle's touchscreen. Depending on the setup, you can open or close the door, check its status, and receive reminders. Supported systems may also offer geofencing prompts as you approach or leave designated areas. Think about driving away and suddenly wondering if you closed the garage, only to either turn around and check or spend the rest of the drive hoping you remembered. With this system, your Nissan keeps you connected to the garage, giving you control and reassurance without leaving the vehicle. This isn't available on every Nissan, and the exact functionality depends on the model, equipment, connected services subscription, and compatible garage hardware. If your Nissan supports it, you may have a smart garage feature sitting inside your vehicle that you never knew existed. 14. Walk-away status. Here's another feature that solves one of those small problems that almost every driver has experienced at some point. You park your Nissan, walk away, and a few minutes later that familiar question suddenly pops into your head. Did I actually lock the car? Maybe a window is still open, the trunk was not completely closed, or the doors were left unlocked without you realizing it. On compatible Nissan vehicles equipped with Nissan Connect services, the My Nissan app can provide notifications about certain vehicle conditions after you've walked away. Depending on the vehicle, this can include unlocked doors, open windows, an open trunk or lift gate, and even an open moonroof. Most people forget because their attention has already moved on, not because they don't know how to secure their car. Walkaway status adds reassurance by notifying you about certain open or unlocked areas, with availability depending on your Nissan model and Nissan Connect package. The small notification could save you from returning home later, worrying about whether you accidentally left something open or unlocked. 13. Traffic sign recognition. Now we're getting into the kind of technology that can make you realize your Nissan is paying attention to much more than you might think. On compatible Nissan models, traffic sign recognition uses the vehicle's camera system to detect certain road signs and display relevant information to the driver. Depending on the model and equipment, the system can recognize things such as speed limit signs and present that information on the vehicle's display, giving you another reference point while you're driving. This becomes especially useful when you cannot remember the last speed limit you passed. Imagine driving through an unfamiliar area where a sign is partly hidden, or you're merging onto another road and unsure whether the limit changed. Your Nissan may recognize the sign and display the information, giving you another reference while driving. It can have limitations, but having your vehicle recognize road signs can make unfamiliar roads much easier to navigate. Once you realize your Nissan can actually recognize certain signs, you start to understand just how much technology is quietly working in the background while you drive. 12. ProPilot Assist. If your Nissan is equipped with ProPilot Assist, there is a good chance you have been thinking of it as nothing more than an upgraded version of cruise control. This description leaves out one of the most interesting parts of the system. Depending on the model, ProPilot Assist can combine intelligent cruise control with steering assistance to manage speed, following distance, and lane positioning under certain conditions. This is where ProPilot Assist starts to feel very different from traditional cruise control. On long highway drives, ProPilot Assist can help maintain speed, distance, and lane position, reducing repetitive steering and pedal inputs that can make extended trips tiring. However, it remains a driver assistance system, not self-driving technology. You must stay engaged, monitor the road, and remain responsible for the vehicle while following its operating conditions and limitations. So if your Nissan has ProPilot Assist, don't just treat it like ordinary cruise control. Take a few minutes to learn exactly what your particular version can actually do. 11. Intelligent driver alertness. On equipped Nissan models, the system monitors not just the road around you, but also certain patterns in how you drive. Intelligent driver alertness monitors steering behavior for signs of fatigue and can issue visual and audible warnings when it detects a pattern that may require attention. The surprising part is that your Nissan may notice changes in your driving before you consciously realize you're getting tired. Think about being several hours into a highway trip when your attention starts to fade. You're still looking ahead and technically in control, but your steering corrections may become less consistent as fatigue sets in. The system recognizes these patterns and encourages you to take a break when appropriate. It cannot determine exactly how tired you are and should never replace proper rest. Instead, it provides another layer of assistance when your driving behavior suggests stopping may be necessary. Sometimes the most useful safety feature in your Nissan isn't the one that helps you drive farther. It's the one that reminds you when you shouldn't keep driving. 10. Rear cross traffic alert. Now imagine you're backing out of a parking space, but there's a large SUV parked directly beside you and blocking most of your view. You can see what is immediately behind your Nissan, but you cannot see a vehicle approaching from the side until it is already getting dangerously close. This is exactly the kind of situation Rear Cross Traffic Alert is designed to help with on equipped Nissan models. Rear Cross Traffic Alert monitors behind your Nissan and warns when approaching vehicles are detected from either side while reversing. On some equipped models, it can work alongside braking assistance. It adds awareness in limited visibility areas, but always check your surroundings and reverse carefully since the system has limitations. It's essentially another set of electronic eyes watching the space you can't easily see from the driver's seat. 9. Remote climate control. Most people understand remote start. You press a button, the engine starts, and you get into the vehicle. With Nissan Connect services and compatible remote climate functionality, your Nissan can do more than simply start the engine. On equipped models, you can remotely start the vehicle and cool the cabin before reaching it, making those scorching summer drives far more comfortable from the moment you get behind the wheel. In cold weather, remote starting can warm the cabin before your journey. Depending on the model, it may also manage heating, defrosting, and other settings. The exact functions vary, but the idea remains impressive. Your Nissan can prepare itself while you're still inside your home. And once you've used that feature on an extremely hot or cold morning, getting into an unprepared car suddenly feels like a problem you never needed to have. If you want to get more out of your Nissan and avoid costly mistakes, check out my ebook, Your Nissan Can Do This. 15 features nobody told you about. It's packed with maintenance tips and reliability advice. Grab your copy through the link below and let's get back to the next hidden Nissan feature. 8. Remote horn and lights. We've all had that moment where we walk out of a shopping mall, airport, or huge parking lot and suddenly realize we have absolutely no idea where we left the car. After walking through rows of identical cars, finding your Nissan can be frustrating. With Nissan Connect services, the My Nissan app can remotely activate the lights and horn, helping you locate it quickly. Through compatible remote services, you can activate your Nissan's horn and lights from your phone to help locate the vehicle. It may seem minor until you're searching a massive parking lot after a long day. Functionality varies by Nissan model and connected services package, but when available, this simple feature can become surprisingly useful when you've forgotten where you parked. Your Nissan may not just know where it is, it can actually help you find it. 7. My Nissan Remote Vehicle Status. Now we're getting into the part of Nissan's technology that can make your smartphone feel like a remote extension of the vehicle itself. If your Nissan is equipped with Nissan Connect services, the My Nissan app can provide access to certain information about the vehicle without requiring you to physically walk outside and get inside the car. Depending on the model and connected services package, you can check the fuel level, odometer, certain warnings, and whether the doors are locked or unlocked. The real convenience is checking your Nissan without being near it. Through the app, you may be able to check fuel level, confirm whether the doors are locked, and view other vehicle information. Availability varies by model, year, and Nissan Connect subscription, but supported vehicles can essentially turn your phone into a remote dashboard. Once you realize you can check on your Nissan without even touching the car, the connected features start getting a lot more interesting. The next features get even more impressive, with technology that can actively assist while you drive. If you're enjoying these hidden Nissan features, like and subscribe, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. 6. Intelligent lane intervention. Now we're moving into a feature that can actually assist you while you're driving, rather than simply making the vehicle more convenient to use. On equipped Nissan models, intelligent lane intervention is designed to recognize when the vehicle begins moving away from its detected lane and can provide warnings and assistance under the appropriate conditions. Think of it as your Nissan noticing a small mistake before that mistake has a chance to become something much bigger. Imagine driving down a highway after several hours behind the wheel, looking ahead but realizing your concentration isn't quite where it was when you started. Without realizing it, the Nissan begins drifting toward the lane marking. If the system can clearly detect the lane and the operating conditions are appropriate, it can alert you and provide braking assistance intended to help guide the vehicle back toward the lane. Intelligent lane intervention isn't a replacement for attention. It depends on visible lane markings, road conditions, and your Nissan's capabilities. Think of it as added protection, not autonomous driving. You remain responsible while the system may help correct an unnoticed lane departure. This brings us to a feature that takes this idea one step further. 5. Intelligent blind spot intervention. Most drivers already understand what a blind spot warning is supposed to do. A small light appears in the mirror, maybe you hear an alert, and you immediately know that another vehicle is sitting somewhere you cannot easily see. On compatible Nissan models, intelligent blind spot intervention takes that idea considerably further, because the system can actually provide assistance if you begin moving toward a vehicle in the adjacent lane. Instead of simply warning you, Nissan's intelligent blind spot intervention can help respond to danger. If it detects a vehicle in your blind spot and determines you're moving toward it, the system can apply braking and help guide your Nissan back toward its lane, providing added protection on busy highways. This does not mean you should stop checking your mirrors or looking over your shoulder before changing lanes. The technology has specific operating conditions and limitations, and you're still responsible for making sure the lane is clear. Understanding the difference between a warning and intervention changes how you see this feature. Your Nissan isn't simply saying, "There's a car beside you." Under the right conditions, it can actually help keep you from moving into it. 4. Intelligent Around View Monitor. This might be one of the most impressive features on the entire list, especially when you see it working on the screen. If your Nissan is equipped with Intelligent Around View Monitor, the vehicle can combine images from multiple cameras positioned around the exterior and create a virtual bird's eye view of the Nissan and the area surrounding it. In other words, your Nissan can give you a perspective that you could never physically have from the driver's seat. Instead of relying only on the rear camera while backing into a parking space, you can use the surrounding camera views to get a much better idea of where the vehicle's corners are in relation to nearby cars, walls, curbs, or other obstacles. On compatible systems, moving object detection can also provide visual and audible warnings when movement is detected around the vehicle. It's especially useful in tight parking spaces and narrow garages. While you still need to check your surroundings, multiple camera views provide a much clearer picture than a backup camera alone. Your Nissan is essentially stitching together multiple camera feeds and turning them into a virtual overhead view of the vehicle. 3. Walk-away lock. Here's one of those features that sounds almost too simple to be impressive, but once you start using it, you may wonder how you ever lived without it. On compatible Nissan models equipped with the appropriate intelligent key system, walk-away lock can automatically lock the vehicle when you leave with the key. One of the most repetitive parts of driving can happen automatically. When your hands are full with groceries, bags, or a laptop, simply close the door and walk away. The system can automatically lock your Nissan when conditions are met. Some compatible Nissan models also offer approach unlock, which works in the opposite direction by recognizing the intelligent key as you approach and unlocking the vehicle when the feature is enabled. The exact behavior and availability depend on your Nissan, so you'll want to check the settings and owner's manual rather than assuming every model works the same way. When everything is configured correctly, the experience is incredibly seamless. You simply get out, walk away, and let the Nissan take care of the part you normally have to remember yourself. And we're down to the final 2, where things get even more practical. 2. Rear door alert. This is one of those features that sounds simple, but it can become incredibly useful because it is designed around something every driver does: forgetting things. On compatible Nissan models, rear door alert monitors rear door activity and can provide a reminder to check the rear seat under certain conditions. If you open a rear door before or during your trip, the system can recognize that activity and remind you to look in the back when you reach your destination. The reason this feature is so clever is that it is built around human behavior, not just vehicle technology. Imagine leaving groceries, a laptop bag, or sports equipment in the back seat while you park, turn off your Nissan, and start thinking about everything else. A rear door alert gives you another chance to notice something you may have forgotten before walking away. Availability and operation vary by model and year, and it should never replace checking the rear seat yourself. If equipped, understanding the warning can help you use the feature more effectively. It may be one of the smallest features on your Nissan, but it is designed to catch one of the most human mistakes we make. 1. Easy Fill Tire Alert. And finally, we've reached number 1, and we're ending with a feature that is incredibly simple, but surprisingly useful. If your Nissan is equipped with Easy Fill Tire Alert, the vehicle can help you know when you've reached the recommended tire pressure while you're adding air. Instead of repeatedly stopping to check the pressure yourself, the system can provide an audible signal when the tire reaches the appropriate level. Your Nissan can basically tell you, that's enough. Think about the normal process at an air pump. You connect the hose, add some air, stop and check the pressure, realize you're still slightly low, add more, and then check it again. It isn't difficult, but it can be unnecessarily repetitive, especially when the pressure gauge on the pump isn't particularly easy to read. Easy Fill Tire Alert simplifies inflation by providing an audible signal when the target pressure is reached. Proper tire pressure also supports better tire wear, handling, ride quality, and fuel efficiency. Operation varies by Nissan model, so follow your vehicle's recommended pressure and instructions. It may not be flashy, but it quietly makes a routine task easier and more convenient. These were 15 Nissan features many owners never realize they have. From intelligent safety systems to simple everyday conveniences, some could genuinely make your driving easier. Check your Nissan's equipment, and if you learn something new, like and subscribe for more.